Baiju Punukkonur has participated twice in one-year state-level Rishikesh painting exhibition conducted by Rishikesh Art Gallery, Kollam. In the name of Baiju Punukkonur, Punukkonur is a village area at Kottangara Grama Panchayat in Kollam district. The place located at south side of Keralapuram Junction in Kollam Tirumangalam National Highway. Baiju Punukkonur is an experimental painter. His Dahlia series paintings are created by his right hand index finger. He not use any brush or knife for that paintings. The Dahlia series paintings are Remember, the world famous painting The Sunflowers by Vincent van Gogh. The Dahlia paintings are very attractive than sunflowers. His paintings are highly creative. It show a new plane of relation with nature and human beings. He used different medium and different size of canvas. He conducted many solo exhibitions since 2004. He organized and leading more than 100 art camp or workshop for development of students' creativity. He has a deep knowledge about colors and color mixing. He used different type of thin color lines in his paintings. His main series of paintings are 9. They are Rhythm of Rain, Shadow of Water, Garden, Pilgrim, Co-Sleeping, Tradition, Green, and Southern Journey. He has worked as an art teacher at Mount Carmel Anglo-Indian School, Tangasheri, Kollam, Holy Family School, Aravila, Kollam, St. Joseph Convent School, Kollam, etc. He has achieved many awards from different institutions and organizations. Now he is working as a creative painter and teacher at his own Spectrum Art Gallery, Ilamballur,